Good morning, I'm Viti. This is Grandma's Kitchen, and today we're bringing you a dish of red cabbage with apple and walnuts that's finger-licking good.
250 grams of red cabbage, 1 apple, 1 onion, 1 clove of garlic, a handful of walnuts, a splash of vinegar, olive oil, and a pinch of
Salt.
Let's go with the red cabbage. First, we remove the thick outer leaf. There we go, and we wash the rest. Let's chop it up in slices. As soon as we have these strips ready, what we're going to do is wash them and drain all these strips. So there's no water left on them. We'll wash them with cold water to remove any impurities. We'll drain them well. That's perfect. We need to have long strips, more or less like this. Let's go to the water. Next step, super easy. We're going to cut the onion into strips as well, which we will later sauté in olive oil. With the strips and a whole onion. Here goes partiendo. As soon as we have them, into the pot. We want strips too, more or less like this. We put our pot on the stove. A generous splash of olive oil, and we'll wait for the oil to heat up. While the oil heats, let's use our time well to finely chop a clove of garlic. If the garlic clove is small, then we'll use 2. This one was quite big, so 1 is enough. Our oil has already heated up, so it's time to add the onion, so it can slowly soften. We'll also add a pinch of salt, which will help it cook faster. We're going to keep adding. There it goes too. It started changing color, so add now. Our chopped garlic, and a few almonds, stir it so it goes away, blending the flavors. 2 minutes have already passed. So it's time to add our red cabbage. Drained and well cleaned. Besides the red cabbage, we'll add salt to taste. And a splash of
Vinegar.
We stir a little. We will cover it and let it cook over medium-low heat for 30 minutes, letting everything cook together. Next step, we cut our apple into cubes. You can cut them into cubes with the apple peel, or leave the skin on, like I do. If you leave the skin on, you'll notice it when you bite into it. It will be firmer and the apple flavor will stand out more. That's how I like it, but I'll leave it to you. You can also peel the apple and it will turn out like a much more caramelized compote. That's up to your taste. Oh! Apple cubes. Don't cut them too small or they'll disappear. Keep them about this size. Well, the half hour has passed. Enjoy your meal. You can see how good it looks.
Pipa.
super intense aroma and it smells really good. Time to add the apple. Cover it and wait the last 10 minutes so the recipe will be perfect.
Well, our red cabbage is ready. As you can see, its amazing color means plating doesn't need to be complicated. Of course, this is perfect for Christmas because it works for us. As a side dish, as a garnish, it's a super elegant garnish for meats. I mean, for any meat, whether it's pork or lamb, this goes perfectly. It's really good. You can add some pine nuts, some raisins, some dried apricots. You'll get a sweeter dish, but I prefer it like this. I add a touch of raw apple on top and it turns out really good. Red cabbage with apple and walnuts. A super simple dish. Who bids more, Louis Rats?